When we talk about stream of thought, this refers to the speed which we thoughts follow each other. Now, when we talk about stream, it can be flight of ideas, which means thoughts follow each other very rapidly, and connection between thoughts appear merely due to chance factor or rhyming. An example would be, I love him, Philly needs to see his cat, why do people cry, I want some chips and fry. So there are four things which the patient has said, and none of them have any correlation with each other. And if you see, they're using rhyming words also, like cry and fry. So if a patient is coming, I love him, Philly needs to see his cat, what do people cry, I want some chips and fry, mama is going to cry, something like that. So thoughts keep on coming, the patient keeps on giving speaking of one thought after the other, but though there is no correlation, or there is no correlation between two different thoughts. So this is called as flight of ideas. Another problem in stream of thought can be inhibition of thinking. In this, what happens, thought comes at a very slow and progresses at a very slow rate. So patient, literally, there is an inhibition of thinking. So these are the two ways in which stream of thoughts can be evaluated.